Yo, welcome back guys, Rebuilds and I come back with a new video. Today we're going to be working on this Clio again that we bought at a damaged salvage auction. Now we got this car, it was hit at the front, bumper, wing and headlight was ordered. Well, haven't ordered it yet, I'm trying to find one's black so we know how to paint the front. Now what I have been doing, I've removed the handles. I'm sending them to my friend to get them painted because you have to use satin lacquer with them. So they're going to be like a silver with satin lacquer, just to freshen up a wee bit. And I've done strip this tailgate out. Now we were just going to blow this tailgate in, like see there, that wee bit there, that looks pretty rough and stuff. We're just going to blow this corner in and hopefully lacquer the rest out. But come for research, yeah, it's pretty bad the whole way. So I'm just going to DA all this here I'm going to try it with maybe 180 or 240 first, just to see. And we might as well, there's a couple of wee shimmers and damages in it, so we might as well fix them and prime them. Now, I thought we could blow a bottom half of this tailgate in, wouldn't have to do the inside and the top and stuff. But the top, again, it's all blistered and I don't actually know what that is. I thought it was crazy. If any of you have any idea what it actually is, drop a comment down below, I'd love to know. But anyway, we'll just blow the whole tailgate in and we'll have to lift it off at some point and do the inside because the inside is actually all flaking too, it's all the same. So, we'd like to leave the job right, so we'll just lift it off and paint the inside. Now, bumper, it's going to all have to be repaired and prime painted, but I'm going to take that off in this video, maybe do it off camera and stuff. If you want to see even repairing that bumper, I'll make a video, but I think I'll just do it off camera and stuff. So basically what we're going to do in this video, we're going to sand these down, fix them damages and get her primed, and prime this top spoiler too. And hopefully this is all not going to start flaking. Just hope it doesn't. I don't actually know what it is. It's weird. I've never seen it. Now, I got a couple of comments in the last video about the pre-tensioners and stuff in these belts. Now, I'll be honest, I haven't even looked at them because they're pretty tight, so they are. I'll maybe look at them in the next video and see if I can get them done, because if I have to get new belts, we'll have to get new belts, just the way it's going to be. And another thing I'd like to say is, thanks to all the recent subscribers, I think I'm at 32 at the minute. I'm getting something like 10 likes a video and stuff, that means a lot to me, I'm thinking at 100 subscribers doing a giveaway, maybe of a £30 Amazon gift card or something to anyone. So if you could do anything to help me out, even share these videos with your friends that maybe are into cars or maybe it's not into cars or want to know how to get cars cheap and fix them. Whatever, all the flipping support would be much appreciated. So anyway guys, enough of my waffling, we're going to get this to the end.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
There you have it guys, have it all DA'd. Basically what I've done is DA'd it with 120 first, then just come back up to 320. I actually don't know what it was. It felt like there's a wee bit of ice upon and someone's actually just wet primed over it and it's just flaked off. Now I could be wrong, it might even be that, but that's what I thought it was. Now I didn't video my taping because I'm gonna be honest with you, I cannot tape for shit. Like, I hate taping. I hate it. As you can see, it's tape shit. I know what I'd say about these wee damages here, but they're that little, it's hardly worthwhile even doing them, I'm going to be honest with you. I was going to do them, I was hem in hand, and they're just too small and I could probably roll them out with a flat head or something. But anyway guys, that's it all taped. 320 it. Now I've done this video back to front. I should have took this bumper off first and then primed it, or repaired this and primed it. But for some reason I'm going to do it the other way. I'm going to prime it and I take a bumper off, which is stupid. So yeah, and a lot of you probably wonder why this didn't fix up there. I'm going to do that when tail gets off so I can prime it on the inside. If I'm going to prime the inside, might need to prime the inside. So I'm going to get some primer mixed up here and I'm going to get it on. Hopefully get the head mount on and see how it goes. So you have it, guys, have it all primed. I know in that video there me priming it just looked like I was barely putting any on, because I had the spray gun very low pressure just so it wasn't coming out real fast, and I didn't really want much on anyway because it's only really bare metal and it's not like I'm trying to hide any dents or anything, or fill any dents, shall I say. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this bumper off. Now I'm going to be honest, this bumper's nearly half off itself. There'll be a 20 torque in there. There usually is a button in there, there's none there. Them two wee stopper things there, there's 20 torque obviously in there, and your wee button in there, and down the side there'll be a wee 20 torque up in there. Don't know if you can see that, just there. And underneath, just the same, you've got 3 20 torques right along the bottom, 4 or 5. So they're not really hard bumpers to take off, so let's get cracking. So we have it, guys, have the bumper all off, looking good. So it is, have that all primed. And now in the next video we're going to be rubbing that with 320 and then DN around it with 500, just so when we go to paint, though black you can get away with that with black. I like, the only thing is you have to make sure your repair's right with black. That's the only difference. Now lucky enough I never found any more broken parts underneath, which I'm thankful of. Now I didn't tell you this here, but there's a screw up the way. Now in the time lapse you'll see I just ripped the bumper off. I didn't know there was a screw there, I thought it was just hard to clip in. Screw it out before you flip and rip the bumper off. Lucky enough never broke. So we're looking good. Now guys, leave in the comments, shall I just refurb these wheels? You see that wheel, there's just wee bits in it. Now the other two's pretty good, so that's the worst one. If you want to see a wee video on how to refurb wheels or whatever, now that's pretty bad. But it'd be safer just fixing them and putting a wee bit of silver paint on them. Let me know anyway, guys, what you think. Next video we're going to be trying to do these seat belts maybe, and hopefully we'll have the parts for the front. If we get them parts, we'll build the front up and we'll do them seat belts. And then even if we have the paint, we'll maybe try and paint this tailgate and bumper. I don't know, because we had left this tailgate off to paint the inside too. So anyway guys, this is going to be it for this video. Hope you did enjoy. Now thanks for all the support, as I said at the start of the video. Make sure you do keep liking and sharing with your friends, because quicker we get that 100 subscribers, quicker we'll give away for 30 Amazon or £30 Amazon gift card, or it could be any of your choice, I don't mind. And yeah, peace.